start bridge pose variation. And slowly bend your right leg, lift your left leg straight up, toes outside. Inhale, lift your hip up, and exhale down, left leg straight. Inhale, lift your hip up, exhale down. Inhale, lift your hip up and hold 1, 2, 3, and 4. Exhale. To gain both hands back and slowly inhale, lift your chest up, head up, and exhale down. Again, inhale, lift your chest up, head up, both hands straight, exhale down. Inhale, lift your chest up, head up, and left leg straight, and hold 1, 2, and 3, and exhale.